Welcome to another Hebrew lesson. This lesson is all about how to say cheers in Hebrew. I will show you how to write it using Nikud, also how to pronounce it correctly, and at the end of the lesson, I will show you the literal translation of the word. So let's start. The Hebrew matching word for cheers is lechaim. Lechaim. In the beginning, the le meaning is to, and chaim means life. So it is basically like saying to life. Usually, in contrast to the cheers translation, we stress the I or the letter yod at the end of the word, chaim instead of chaim. In the word lechaim, the cha is stressed. I am not sure what is the reason for the change of stress, but it is worth mentioning. Chaim, with the cha stressed, is also a fairly common name and last name in Hebrew. The word is also used in affectionate sayings like Chaim Sheli, meaning my life, or you are my life. The word lechaim in Hebrew without nikud is spelled the same way as the Hebrew word for cheeks. Most of the time, the word lechaim will be used by itself, so it is a good idea to understand the context of the sentence in order to figure out which of the words is it. That is all for this Hebrew lesson. You now know a few more Hebrew letters, a saying, and how to say cheers in Hebrew. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like, share your thoughts in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you and toda for watching.